Good day everyone, my name is Justin Agua. In this video, I will represent the various drawing instrument, tools, materials, and equipment used in Draw 111. These essential items help students create accurate, professional, and well-organized technical drawings while improving their creativity and drafting skills. And now, I will introduce the different kinds of drawing materials. First, pencil. Used, used for drawing lines, shading, and creating different artistic effects. Its leads comes in various grades for light or dark results. Second is sharpener. Keep pencil point sharp so drawings stay clear and detailed. It helps achieve smooth and precise strokes. And the third is eraser. Clear unwanted marks and fix errors on the paper. It helps maintain a clean and polished drawing. The fourth is masking tape. Used for secure paper onto surface while working removes easily without tearing or damaging the sheet. And the fifth is ruler. Helps straight lines and measure exact distance. It's important for accuracy in both technical and simple drawings. And the sixth is triangle ruler or sit square. Provides correct angles when drawing vertical or slanted lines, commonly used for geometric and architectural designs. And the seventh is protractor. Measure and angles accuracy and helps draw them in degree. It is usual for mathematics and technical illustrations. Compass, used to draw perfect circles and arcs with equal distance from a center point. It ensures symmetry and accuracy in technical drawings. Sketchbooks, a portable pad for drawing paper for practicing ideas and artwork. Artists can record progress and creativity in one place. And now we proceed the question. First question is, how should the item be stored? Keep it in a good condition. Stores all drawing tools or materials properly in a secure and dry area to protect them from moisture and breakage. Keep papers inside envelopes or folders or maintain their cleanliness and smoothness. Second is, how should the item be stored? It keep in a good condition. Maintain your tools by cleaning them regularly with soap cloth and applying light oil on metal parts when needed. Ensure pencils are sharpened and drawing surfaces are kept clear of dirt before working. The third is, what are some common problems or issues that can arise with item and how can they be